In this video, we are going to discuss about if-else statement in Java, also known as conditional statement or decision-making statement. Programmers use to make decision in their programs just like as we do in our day-to-day life. Suppose if you are hungry, if you are hungry, what you will do? You will eat, right? So it is a simple decision. It means you check if you are hungry or not. And if this condition is applicable, or that is, if this condition is satisfied, you will go find food and eat it, which is a simple decision. So if statement is written in Java using if keyword followed by bracket inside which we have to put a condition which may be a boolean or a conditional expression, then curly brackets, and we can write some statements over there. So if you are hungry, then you will eat. And if you are not hungry, what will be done? We will do nothing here. We will come out of the program. It is simple syntax. If condition is there, I will execute the block of the code which is present inside curly bracket followed by condition of if statement, and this is called one-way decision also, because if my condition is available with me, if my condition gets satisfied with me, then only I will execute the code of block, else I will skip out of it. So this is a simple statement or one-way decision. But what happens if I am not hungry? Then what I can do? I can definitely go and drink water, which is one of the possibility. So if I am hungry, I will eat, else I will drink water, which is a decision, which is also known as two-way decision. That is, if first condition is satisfied, I will do this and this and this task, else I will do other task. So if one condition is true, run one statement, else run other statement. Now, the condition of if-else statement is defined in Java using if followed by condition in brackets and then curly bracket and condition of if statement, else curly bracket and another statement. Syntax is like if condition block of code, else condition block of code. Let us do it practically. So here you can see I have already created a class named decision, and we are using first if statement inside it. So I will declare a variable, say boolean, and I will say it as hungry, and I declare it as a true. And if inside if I have to express some condition or a boolean variable here, so I will write here hungry. If hungry, then opening bracket of if and closing bracket of if, inside which I will write system dot out dot println and find food and eat. This is my first condition in which I am making single decision. If I am feeling hungry, I can find food and eat. I save it and run this. You can see find food and eat. If my condition happens to be false, what will happen? My program will get terminated. That is, I will do nothing. I skip out of the thing. You see, terminated is display over here. But if I have another statement here, say else, and I write system dot out dot println, and I will write drink water, then what happens when I run this? Condition is false, that is, I am not feeling hungry, I will go and eat, I can drink water. So this is a two-way decision. Now what happens that if I have an availability that I can have some choices of foods available with me. So what exactly I want to say, that I have feeling hungry, but I have pizza also available with me and fruits are also available with me. So I can make a choice that either I can eat pizza or a fruit. So what will be the thing is that I have to I have a decision that I am feeling hungry. And after making this decision, I have to make a choice to have a pizza or fruit. So my choice is that if I have pizza, I will have it. Else I will, because I am feeling hungry, I can eat fruit also. I will choose this decision. So let us do it practically. So I have in a variable say boolean pizza availability, and it comes to be true here. And also with the condition that I am feeling hungry, which is also true. So I am feeling hungry and I have an availability of pizza with me. So inside this, I am feeling hungry, I will write condition if another condition pizza A. If I have a pizza availability comes to be true, I will print here system dot out dot print ln, and I will write eat pizza. Suppose I have another variable boolean fruit A and it comes to be true here. In case I do not have a pizza available with me, I definitely write else if, and condition I will check whether fruit is available to me or not. If fruits are available with me, I will write and in this way we are just running this program. So I have a condition that I am feeling hungry and pizza is available, so I will eat pizza. Now I think that pizza is not available to me, so I turn it to be false here. So you will see an option come that I can eat. In this way we learn about if else and nested if statement. The first statement is our if statement or a single decision statement in which we are provided with some condition. If condition is satisfied, we execute the statement, and if it doesn't, we just skip out. Second is our if a statement in which we are provided with two choices, that is if the condition of if is satisfied, you have to execute that statement, else you come out of that statement. The third is our nested if or decision making statements in which we have come to the conclusion that we have chosen decision of if statement or else statement, and if we come to the decision that we are executing the statement of if or else block, we have some conditions provided inside that blocks, and in that blocks we have to make another decision, that is decision inside that decision. So this is our nested if else statement. In real world, you are using in your day-to-day life like grading system, your traffic signals, ATM. These are some real world